Are you facing dry scalp and dandruff problems like this? So then you need to try this basic hair care routine that make my hair go from this to this. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are doing great. I'm going to share my winter hair care routine. Firstly, I use this wooden comb to comb my hair because it's so helpful and reduces the hair breakage, and it's so good for your scalp. Next, you need to use this scalp massager. You can use this one, or you can use also the wooden one. I will suggest the wooden one because it is really helpful to regenerate the hair growth. To put oil on my hair, I use this hair oiling bottle and I bought it from the Raz, and it's so helpful. Next, for the hair care, I use the coconut oil to massage my hair 1 or 2 times a week. It's so helpful if you have a dry or patchy, itchy scalp. It's so good to regenerate the hair growth and help to reduce the dandruff in your hair. Next, for the shampoo, I use two shampoos. First, I use this medicated shampoo from Gunas lotion, and it's of only 350 rupees. I have started using it recently and it really helped me to get rid of the dandruff here. You can use it on your scalp for and leave it for 5 to 6 minutes and wash it with water. Next, I use this vertical shampoo. If I have put oil on my hair, you can use any daily use shampoo. This is called double shampooing and it's really clean your scalp and hair properly. You can use any shampoo here. I have been using this for a year now and it's suitable to my hair. So this is my shampoo care routine for my dandruff and frizzy hair. Next, I don't use any conditioner, so I'm just using this aloe vera gel whenever my hair feel dry or after shower. It's really helpful to make my hair smooth and shiny and don't look so rough. So that's it for my hair care routine in winter. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching.